Hop into the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Here's a Ridgeline that's ready to handle rugged adventure in smooth, thoughtful style. Loaded with smart tech, clever storage solutions, and ingenious creature comforts, this hard-working pickup with an upscale feel is at home wherever your journey takes you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, fog lamps, premium sound system, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Get the pickup that has your back whether you're on a country road, city road, or no road at all. Test drive this extraordinary Honda Ridgeline.